Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. And in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we are going to unbox the Anker PowerPort Surge Protector Strip. So you can get this from Amazon.com for $25 from Amazon. Here's where I got this from. Today we'll be unboxing the thing and checking this PowerPort out. But before we do, let's go ahead and check out the product description. So here it is. Here is the Anker PowerPort Strip. This is the Anker Power Strip Surge Protector with 12 outlets and 3 USB ports with a flat plug. This is a 6-foot extension cord with Power IQ for iPhone XS, and this has 4,000 joules. So here's a closer look at the PowerPort Surge Protector. Here you can see 12 AC outlets and 3 USB ports right there. Power for all 12 AC outlets, 3 USB ports. This has top-tier surge protection. As you can see here, this has an LED indicating that your devices are protected. This has an overload protection with an automatic shut-off. So next is the 7-point safety system that comes with this PowerPort Surge Protector. This has a short circuit protection, grounded protection, over temperature control, over current protection, fire resistance, overload protection, and over voltage protection. So that's a 7-point safety system. Save up to 1 hour if you use the 3 USB ports, so it's more efficient than using your typical power adapters. Here's where it is meant to be mounted on the ground. And yeah, so here is different options that you can choose from. You can choose black or white. I chose black, and this comes in different sizes, and I chose the 6-foot one for $25 on sale from Amazon. So those are your 3 different options, and this is sold from Amazon, and that is the product description for the PowerPort Surge Protector by Anker. So let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here's the box, plain presentation from Anker. Charge fast, live more. Pretty plain box. Let's go to the bottom. Here you have Anker, same with the slogan. Here are the sides of the box, Anker. And same thing for this side of the box. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here it is. Here is the back side of the box. Anker, America's leading charging brand. This has 55 million people, choice of million happy users. This has fast charging via leading technology, and this comes with an 18-month hassle-free warranty. So here's the product name, product PowerPort Strip 12 with 3 USB ports. Here's the product description, and here's the barcode. You want to look this up on Amazon. And yeah, so that's pretty much about it for the presentation of the box. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the Anker PowerPort Surge Protector. And once you open up the box, here's what you're going to get. So, simple presentation by Anker. This comes with a pamphlet. Anker, charge fast, live more. PowerPort Strip 12 with 3 USB ports. Let's go ahead and open up and read it. Once you open up and read it, you'll go through the overview, and here's the overview of the PowerPort Surge Protector. pretty basic stuff that we just went over. And here's how you're going to use your PowerPort. All you have to do is plug it in to your main outlet. And here is the LED indicator light when it's powered on and protected, and when it's not. Here's how you power your devices up. And here's the back side of the pamphlet, which has some tips, safety tips, troubleshooting, and some specifications in case that those you are interested in. And this comes with an 18-month warranty and customer service. So here is the PowerPort surge protector by Anker. Let's go ahead and remove this from the box. So here it is. Let's remove the sleeve and check out the Anker PowerPort surge protector that has 12 AC outlets and 3 USB ports. Here I really love the tactile design here. Here you have power and protected. Here's your 12 AC outlets and 3 USB ports. And I really like the build quality. It doesn't feel cheap. It does not feel cheap with the build quality. It feels well built. Nothing that is loose. So here's the back side PowerPort strip, 12 with 3 USB ports. Here's the model number and the specifications here. And here's back and front. And let's go ahead and plug this in. But before we plug it in, here's the plug here. Really love the plug. It has a thick cable to it, and all you have to do is remove this plastic cover. And let's go ahead and finally plug this in, and notice how this has a 45-degree angle. So here what it looks like once plugged in. Notice the 45-degree angle gives you another option to plug another thing in. So here's my setup. I already have devices plugged in here. Here you can see my devices, such as my UBioLabs wireless charger that I did an unboxing on. As you can see right there, here's my Google Home charger. Here, along with my laptop charger, such as this for the Samsung Galaxy Book Go, my iPad charger, and the charger for the Asus Chromebook. Here is my Energizer rechargeable batteries, along with another battery charger here. And here I still have 3 USB ports available to me. And we have this plug for my desk lamp. And now let's go ahead and turn this on. Just a simple switch to turn everything on. As you can see, it's powered on and protected. And now let's go ahead and test this out. Here I have my Apple iPhone, and it wirelessly charge. So yeah, so everything works out to be great. That is the Anker PowerPort charger with 12 AC outlets and 3 USB ports. If you are happy, you can give feedback or tell your friends about this product. If you're not happy, you can always call these following numbers for troubleshooting needs. So that's about it. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I'll see you on next one.